the purpose of an occlusal guard, which I have one here, okay, and it's actually pretty neat because occlusal guards are not going to solve a patient's problem of grinding, but what they do, they're fabricated out of a rigid lab-processed acrylic with a soft liner I use, and you can use either their upper or a lower one. But the important thing is that they're custom-made. You don't buy them in the store and buy those squishy boil and bite things, okay, which typically don't help. Actually, they make grinding worse because they chew. So that's important. Those are great for football and soccer and all those other things, but they're not good for grinding.